In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust your line and clustered column chart so that the line appears above the bars. That way, your viewers can get clearer insights at a glance. All right, let's get started. Okay, first step, click the line and clustered column chart over in the Visuals panel. Then adjust the visual for a clear view. Now, drag region to the x-axis and total sales to the y-axis. Then, add % growth compared to last year to the line y-axis, and you're good to go. As you can see here, the line is showing up inside the bars. Pushing the line a little up would make the chart more readable. Here's how I calculated the % growth compared to last year. We're now going into the formatting section to make the line stand out clearly above the bars. Click on the chart, then open the Format pane by clicking the Paint Roller icon. Next, click on the chart title. Set the font size to 10, and change the font to Seago. Now, let's format the x-axis. Set the value font to Seago and keep the font size as it is. Then, turn the axis title on. Change the font to Seago as well, make it bold, and set the size to 9. For the y-axis, set the minimum range to 0. Then for the maximum, let's use conditional formatting. I've created a field called y-axis maximum using this data analysis expressions formula. This DAX formula calculates the highest total sales across all selected regions, then multiplies that value by 1.4. We're using it as the maximum range for the y-axis to make sure there's extra space above the tallest bar. That way, the line doesn't get squished or overlap with the bars. It stays clearly visible. Now, go ahead and turn off the y-axis values. Since we'll be using data labels instead, there's no need to repeat the same numbers on the side. Next, on the secondary y-axis, set the minimum range to 0. This will gently push the line above the bars so it's easier to see. Then, turn align 0 to 1. This allows you to switch off the secondary axis values without affecting the alignment of your visuals. As you can see, the line is now placed above the bars, and it definitely looks much better. Next, we'll continue enhancing the visual to make it even more insightful and easier to interpret. Now, under the columns section, scroll down to Layout and set the space between categories to 35. This gives your chart a bit more breathing room. Next, let's change the colors of each bar to make them stand out a little more. This small tweak can make a big difference in how easy it is to compare values across categories. Follow along with me. That's already looking much better. Let's finish it up by styling the line and adding data labels for more clarity. Head over to the Lines section and set the width to 4. Then, change the color to green. Now, open the Markers section. Turn it on, then turn on Borders as well. Match the marker color to the line, set the width to 5, and reduce the transparency to 37%. Next, turn on Data Labels. For the bar values, that's total sales, set the position to inside base. Change the font to Seago, set the size to 10, and choose thousands as the display unit. Then, click on the line values, that's % growth compared to last year, and set the position to above. Again, use the Seago font and set the size to 10. Finally, let's apply conditional formatting to the growth line colors. Under line color, click the small FX icon. Set format style to gradient and under minimum value, set color to red, the maximum to green, and the mid value to yellow. This way, you can instantly see which region had the highest year-over-year growth. This kind of color logic makes your visual not only look great, but also much more intuitive for your viewers. Now, as you can see, this is the final output. The line is clearly placed above the bars, the colors are visually meaningful, and the data labels help make the insights easy to understand at a glance. With just a few formatting tweaks, your chart is not only more polished, it's more powerful. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you design clearer, more effective visuals in Power BI.